And so, listen to what Ja'far ibn Abi Talib radiallahu anhu said to the king when the king asked him about Islam. And so this was on the first occasion where the companions came out calling people or inviting people or informing people about Islam, the peaceful religion. And we hear what Ja'far ibn Abi Talib radiallahu anhu said to the king. And of course, the fruits were very great. In that, the king himself accepted Islam. So the first ambassador who left, he taught and informed the people and the king. And he, of course, eventually accepted Islam. The Najashi, the Negus, the king at that time of Abyssinia, accepted Islam. But why did he accept Islam? This was because of the message that was brought to him. And then he knew that it was the truth. And when he asked him about Islam, what did he say? Ja'far ibn Abi Talib radiallahu anhu said, Ayyuhal Malik, he said, O king, kunna qawman ahla jahiliya. We were people of ignorance. Na'budul asnam. We used to worship idols. Wa na'kulul mayta. And we would eat meat that was not slaughtered properly. Wa na'til fawahish. And we used to commit lewdness of fornication and adultery. Wa naqta'ul arham. And we used to cut relations. Wa nusi'ul jivar. And we would also be unfriendly and unkind to our neighbors. وَيَأْكُلُ الْقَوِيُّ مِنَّا الزَّعِيفِ. And the strong among us would oppress and take from the weak. And so, Ja'far ibn Abi Talib radiallahu anhu, he's describing the situation in Makkah. He was describing the oppression, the injustice that was taking place in Makkah. And of course, the greatest injustice was that the people were worshipping other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.